Namaste. So in the last class we were discussing regarding the Yoga Matha Lakshana. So to start with, we started like where, in what kind of Rajya, Desha or what kind of situation or an environment we should choose for to build a Yoga Matha. So we told Surajye Dharmige Deshe Subhikshe Nirupadrave Dhanuh Pramana Paryantam Shivagni Jalavarjite Ekande Matika Madhye Statavyam Hatha Yogina. So the next shloka, Swatmarama explains how to build in such an environment, in such a place where there is no such disturbance and all. How to build, what are the characteristics a Yoga Matha should have, how to build. So the characteristics of the Yoga Matha has been defined by Swatmarama in such a way. It should be Alpadwara Arandra Garta Vivaram. So Alpadwara, which means there should be a small entrance. It should not be too big or too small, like there should be an entrance. Alpadwara, there should be a small entrance. Alpadwara Arandra. Arandra means there should not be a big gap or another big openings. No such things. Only one opening, a door should be there. No such another big windows, these, that and all should not be there. Anta. So Alpadwara Arandra Garta Vivaram. Garta means there should not be any like gartas andre like dig kind of thing and all should not be there. That the improper surface should not be. Garta, Vivara means the small holes where these insects, rats and all used to hide. So like that Vivara should not be there. Any Garta, improper surface should not be there. And unnecessary openings should not be there. So Alpadwara Arandra Garta Vivaram. Natyucha Nichayatam. Natyucha, the Matha should not be built in a place where there is so much height, high altitude and all, or so much height, the Matha should not be built. Also Nichayatam. In low altitude also it should not be. Or in the Matha should not be built in such a way it is in too much height or too much low altitude. So na atyucha, na nicha ayatam. The proportion of the Matha should not be like, not like a rectangle or like not like a pentagon or so and so. Ayatam. So it should not be too long or too widthy. It should not be like that. There should be a standard. There are shastras for that, which is our to build and all. In this one shastra, like in our Sankhya Yoga, Nyaya Vaisheshika, Mimamsa Shastra or the Kalpa Shastra, or there is the Shastra for architecture, which is one of the Upaveda. So in that, what is this na atyucha, na nicha, na ayatam is being. So how to build a temple, how to build a Matha. So there is a standard proportion and measurements. So that is why they are giving that glimpses here like natyucha nijayatam samyak gomaya sandraliptam amalam. So the floor should be like in the previous line they explained how the doors, the walls, the roof and all should be. So now they are telling samyak gomaya, how the floor should be like samyak gomaya lipta sandram apalam. So the floor should be properly smeared with the gomaya. In traditionally and all in mathas, they will the flooring will be done with the cow dung paste. So samyak gomaya sandra liptam amalam. And what is the and it should be very purity, cleanliness should be there. And also why it is gomaya sandra liptam they are telling means this cow dung has certain disinfectant qualities. So there should not be na upadrava, there should not be any upadrava from any insects or other jiva jantus or so and so. So Gomaya, this cow dung paste is one of the thing which help us. This flooring itself is help us to attain that quality of Mata Lakshana, Nirupadrava. It acts as a disinfectant. Then Nishesha Jandu Jidam, there should not be any other Jandus, insects, animals which disturbs the sadhana. Bahye Mantapa Vedi Kupa Ruchiram. Bahye means outside. So this is the characteristics of the Mata. Outside this Mata, there should be a Mandapa, should be built. In that Mandapa, there should be a Vedi, a stage should be there, and in that Vedi, and near that Mandapa or in the boundary, there should be a Kupa, proper water facility should be there. That is for Bahye Mandapa Vedi Kupa Ruchiram Prakara Samveshtidam, and the Mata should be properly fenced. There should be a proper fence should be there for the Mata. So these are all Bahye Mandapa Vedi Kupa Ruchiram Prakara Samveshtitam Proktam Yoga Matasya Lakshanamitam Siddhair Hata Bhyasibihi. So this is a standard Lakshana. Starting from the Surajya, it ends with a proper fence. Bahye Mandapa Vedi Kupa Ruchiram Prakara Samveshtitam. Till that, so these are the proper characteristics or a Lakshana to build a yoga mata for the sadhana. Evam vide mate stitva sarva chinta vivarjitaha, and the state of mind before jumping into the sadhana, or before we should have in this particular place in such and such a yoga matha which have all these swatik qualities, which don't have any other kind of rajasika, tamasika disturbance. We should have that environment is supporting for all kind of this swatik qualities. So the mind also should be in that. Evam vide mate stitva sarva chinta vivarjitaha. Now the chinta should be only into the sadhana, yoga sadhana. Sarva chinta vivarjitaha guru upadishta margena. How the gurus has been advised as per the sampradaya. So guru upadishta margena yogameva samyak abhyaset. So in that state of mind, as per the guidance or the sampradaya, one should start the sadhana. So the sadhana or the prerequisites, what are the certain things which we should follow before beginning the sadhana, or the yoga siddhis and asiddhis. Sadhaka tattva and badhaka tattva we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.